Hello, it's Monday, July 30th, 2012, and I'm Tony Christopher with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. We start with the U.S. stock market. Stocks finished the week strongly after German Chancellor Merkel and French President Hollande pledged to do everything to keep the 17-nation currency intact. Speculations regarding a big move by the ECB and an upcoming move by the Federal Reserve pushed stocks higher. The Dow Jones gained by 1.46%, Nasdaq rallied by 2.24%, and the S&P 500 gained by 1.91%. We turn to the euro, which gained versus the dollar as officials promised support to keep the eurozone intact. Spanish bonds gained and yields dropped over speculations ECB will add more stimulus to try and tackle the spreading debt crisis. Technically, the euro-dollar will remain bullish as long as it is trading above the 1.2270 support level. Today's Spanish flash GDP is expected with minus 0.4% versus minus 0.3% prior. Italian 10-year bond auction will be held. British pound now, the cable strengthened versus the dollar as optimism regarding more actions by the ECB lifted risk appetite. The UK will likely be pushed to a triple-dip recession if the euro's debt crisis worsens. Today, net lending to individuals is expected with 0.8 billion versus 1.3 billion prior. CBI realized sales is expected with 17 versus 42 prior. The Canadian dollar gained versus the US dollar as optimism rose and oil prices gained slightly. Dollar CAD is trading in a downward channel according to the daily chart and is likely to retrace slightly as it is located on the bottom part of the channel and near the 1.00 support level. In commodities, gold gained by 0.7%, closing at $1,624 an ounce. Investors are optimistic and expect a big plan to be announced by the Federal Reserve later this week, which could bring a spike in gold prices. Crude oil gained slightly, closing at $90.15 a barrel. Technically, oil started climbing after rising from the 61.80% Fibonacci retracement level according to the 4-hour chart. The trend for oil remains bullish as long as it is trading above the $89 level. Well, that's it for today. I'm Tony Christopher for the Daily Outlook. Be sure to find out more at ufxmarkets.com.